Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you some best vitamin C brands available in health stores in Dubai. You can see some different brands here. Individually, I will show you different brands, different concentrations and different forms so that it will be easy to you to pick it when you visit the store. When you visit the store, you will see different forms of products. For example, liquids, tablets, powder form, so that you will not understand which one is more suitable to you. And there are different concentrations also. First thing you should know is what is vitamin C. Vitamin C is also called as ascorbic acid or ascorbate. It is a essential vitamins and water soluble vitamin, and it is a powerful antioxidant. A water soluble vitamins can be taken any time in a day, before or after food, it does not matter, but it will dissolve in water in the body. If it is excess, it will excrete from the urine. As per RDI, men and women can take a daily value of 75 to 90 milligram. And you can find vitamin C in different food sources from fruits and vegetables, and these are the dietary supplements. And coming to this brand, this is Sunshine Nutrition Vitamin C 1000 mg with rose hips. This is a US brand and this contains 100 tablets, which you can see. As I told you, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It will boost the immune system by protecting the cells from the free radicals. When it is boosting your immune system, it will avoid from so many chronic diseases. And this is the label of this brand, which contains vitamin C 1000 mg and also with rose hips. The green symbol you can see as GMP certified, that is good manufacturing practice. This brand is combined with vitamin C and rosehip. Rosehip is a good and high source of vitamin C, and it is a powerful antioxidant. Rosehip is the round portion of the rose flower just below the petals. This vitamin C is a plain ascorbic acid. If someone want to boost their immune system, they can prefer this one. And this can be taken by any adults. Firstly, it will protect from the free radicals, so that is the first benefit, so that it will avoid from chronic diseases. So further we'll discuss about other benefits also. And this brand is Nature's Plus. This is made in USA. 90 vegetarian capsules, which you can see, and this is 1000 mg, and this is also a plain ascorbic acid. So when I say plain ascorbic acid, you have to understand it is not a complex form. So complex forms are more better compared to the plain ascorbic acid. You can see the price on the label, and you can see this is free radical defense as a benefit on the product. It's hypoallergenic, gluten free. You can see high potency of 1000 mg. And coming to this brand, this is Sunshine Nutrition Effervescent Tablets. This contains 20 tablets. It's combined with zinc, selenium and vitamin C of 1000 mg. This is very good antioxidant. Effervescent, usually one tablet you have to put it in water, 1 glass of water, and you can drink it. And you can drink as an orange juice. And this is sugar free. This is powerful antioxidant. It is combined with vitamin C, zinc and selenium. This is US brand. Coming to Nature's Shade Vitamin C 1000 mg. This is UK brand with citrus bioflavonoids 180 tablets. This is time release tablets. That means it will slowly release vitamin C in your body. As this is with citrus bioflavonoids, you can understand that is a complex form of vitamin C. That means very good vitamin C product. and this is also a GMP certified product. In some studies, the second benefit shows as it relaxes the blood vessels pumping the blood from the heart so that it will lower the blood pressure. The third benefit is, in some studies who are taking vitamin C and from food sources and supplements have less heart diseases. This is Nature's Plus Immunase, vitamin A, C, E and minerals and herbs. This is very powerful antioxidant which contains 90 tablets and it is gluten free. This is very good amount of vitamin A, C, E and also along with that riboflavin, iron, zinc and selenium. This is very good combinations of vitamins and minerals to protect your cells and also to fight from the free radicals. And you can see this is made in natural organic laboratories. Most of the Nature's Plus vitamins are made in organic laboratories, and most of them are organic products and natural products also. And this is vegetarian tablets, which is very good for the vegetarian people. And coming to this brand, this is Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw Vitamin C, which is my favorite product. This is US brand. This is organic, 60 vegetarian capsules present. And this is vitamin C 500 milligram. Along with this, if you see all the ingredients, they are organic ones, and even there is raw probiotic and enzyme blends. So this you can consider as a complex form organic supplement, which is almost 500% of daily value, and it is good for the acidic people also. And you can see some certifications like NSF, it's a vegan certified. And this is also B Corp certified. That means rigorous standards of environmental production, and also a thank you statement. You can see the benefits. They have clearly mentioned that immune system support, heart support, healthy skin and eyes, and this contains live probiotics and enzyme support for a healthy digestion system. Who have acidic issues can prefer this one. And coming to this brand, this is Nature's Plus Vitamin C Microcrystal. This is a powder form. Nature's Plus, as I said, this is a US brand, and you can see the label, which is 5000 milligram of vitamin C. So till now, the whatever vitamin C we saw, the highest vitamin C concentration is in the powder form. So you have to check when you are taking this vitamin C, this is highest concentration. Unless you require that much, you can prefer. Otherwise, you can go for 500 or 1000 milligram. And fourth benefit, talking about, it will also lower the uric acid level in the blood. The high level of uric acid cause inflammation in the joints, causing arthritis and gout problems. So vitamin C will help from the gout issues. So there are so many brands, and this is the final brand which I wanted to show you. Nature's Plus 2000 milligram of Ultra C, which is high concentration tablets, gluten-free, vegetarian and hypoallergenic, 90 tablets. It shows sustained release. That means continuous release of vitamin C. And the fifth benefit is it protects from the iron deficiency. So how does it benefit? By increasing the absorption of iron from the food's intake. And talking about the sixth benefit is the most everyone knows about it, boosting immunity. How does that boost immunity? It will increase the white blood cells, which is lymphocytes and phagocytes production, so that it protects from the different type of infections in the body. And seventh benefit I would like to talk about is, due to the low level of vitamin C, it will cause dementia. Dementia is something like poor thinking and memory. which causes due to the oxidative stress and inflammation in the central nervous system. And coming back to this product, this is vitamin C 2000 milligram and Prosip 200 milligram also, which is very high concentration of vitamin C. There are so many other benefits also, like protection of teeth, gums and skin. It depends on the requirement. You can choose the best ones. Hope this video helpful to you to identify and understand about vitamin C products. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos.